Navigating your Google Docs account is very simple to do, and to sort of relate it to something that you might already be familiar with, you can sort of think of navigating your Google Docs like you would navigate your email account. The middle of your Google Docs will display every single document, presentation, spreadsheet, or form that you have created. Now in your email account, if you can recall, all of your emails show up in the middle of the page, very similar to this. And if you notice, there's a checkbox here on the left-hand side. Checking a particular file will allow you then to give access for sharing privileges, move items to a folder. You can even delete items, you can rename items, or under more actions, you can star an item. When you star an item, that means there's some special importance to it, or that item's special to you for some reason. You can hide an item. This will then place your file into a folder called Hidden. And anytime you want to access that folder, then it will be in Hidden. It will not appear in the middle of your Google Docs account any longer. You can change owners. Changing owners is something that will be covered in the collaboration section. You can mark an item as viewed or mark an item as unviewed, which of course is very handy for when you view something quickly, but then later you need to go back and look at it later. Export will take files and move them to another location on your computer. You can also star a document by just clicking in this hollowed out star that is located to the right of the checkbox. If you notice, it displays when you are looking at your files on the main page, you can easily tell the name of your document, any folders that you might have placed it in, who you are collaborating with, the date that you last viewed the item, or actually it's the date that somebody else viewed it if you're sharing it with somebody, and then to the right, the names of the people who you're sharing the documents with. If you don't like how your documents are displayed or your files are displayed right here, under where it says last modified, you can change that they are displayed by the starred items or the name or even last viewed. On the left-hand side are two very important buttons. The first button is called Create New. This is how you can create a new document, presentation, spreadsheet, form, or folder. You can also use the Upload button to upload documents that you have saved to your computer to Google Docs. Underneath the Create New and Upload are different ways for viewing your files. You can view Owned by Me, Opened by Me, Shared with Me, Starred, Hidden, Trash, Items by Type, or there's other searches that you can do as well. Then directly underneath that are folders that you have set up. This area is very similar to the left-hand side of your email account, where you would find various ways of locating different emails. A very nice feature to Google Docs is that it will allow you to search your documents. If you notice, this is also very similar to the Google search engine homepage and how you would use to perform a Google search. You can just simply type a name into the search box, like biography. Google Docs will then search all of your files for anything that has the name biography associated with it. And then all of those files will appear, and you can easily locate any document that you are looking for. Again, you can think of Google Docs just like your email account, and it really gives you some very nice options for locating different files and for organizing your files.